Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much I'm making tool brand specific videos. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys still like this or not. Or if we go back to the single video, multiple brands, per basically one video, all the brands. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. We got the 6 amp hour battery with for 119 M12, 249 for the brushless 6-inch hatchet with the 4 amp hour battery kit charger, 299 for the blower and the blower kit basically. That's the blower kit there, and then 149 for the battery there, the 6 amp hour battery. Not necessarily the best deal, but we seen better. 1297 for the multifunction neck gaiter. So you can pretty much use it like a cooling device or as a mask. This thing's a little thin, guys. I personally wouldn't use this as a mask because obviously you want to have the triple layer protection. Protect yourself, you know. But I guess if you don't have anything, you guys could use that. $9.97 for the free flex gloves. And then you got the buy one get one free. You basically buy that $3.99 kit, the fuel, and get the 5 amp hour battery for free. And then there's other kits you guys could buy. So basically, as you guys see there, you guys will see the battery just recited. So $4.99. This is a 3-tool combo kit. It is fuel, and you get that 5 amp hour battery. So either of these kits will get you that battery. That's the 3-tool combo kit with the hard. I believe it's not a hard case. It's just a regular. That's the one with the hard case. The tool combo kit. Impact driver, drill driver, fuel. Then you got $2.29 for the 2-tool combo kit. They are fuel. This is the M12. That's the M12 battery, 6 amp hour battery. And that's the M12 kits there at the bottom. M12 fuel. And then you get that 2 amp hour battery if you buy that kit, the $169 kit. That's the 45 piece. Shockwave. Says impact duty, and that's the kit you have to buy, the impact driver, drill driver, just regular M18 or M12, my bad. Got a magnetic holder, bit holder. You got some star bits there, 2-inch bits, 3-inch bits, and a lot of 1-inch bits. And then you got the big old sleeve on the middle, or bit holder, like an extension bit holder in the middle. You guys see it there? It's a really nice kit. Then on this one, you $2.99 3-tool combo kit, or $1.99 with the 2-tool combo kit. And these are non-brushless. That's the battery you get for free. This is a 2 amp hour battery. That's it right there. So these are great for DIYs, home use. Even if you're a professional, it's a great little kit if you don't want to spend so much. $14.97 for the 25 feet tape measure. From Milwaukee. As you guys see, it's really nice, really bright with black lettering. It has a 12-foot standout magnetic. It's really nice. I know a lot of you like to go with the Fat Max from Stanley. It's probably one of the better ones out there. Better access, more versatile. That's like a bit screwdriver bit holder there. $2.79 for the impact driver, drill driver. Then $169 for the edger, the edge trim. That's it right there. Then $2.99 for the string trimmer. I believe that's the kit. That's a really nice string trimmer. And then $2.29 for this string trimmer. I believe it's tool only. And then $2.99 for this chainsaw. I believe it's two only two. So just as it says right there. Then you got the buy one get one free. You basically buy the installation driver for $229. You get any of those for free on the right. So you get to pick one of those. You got the ratchet. You got the right angle, the multi-tool, or the little rotary thing, like a Dremel. You got the ratchet for $149. Most of the tools are down there. I did not see any of those kits. They're probably sold out. This is the buy more get more section. You basically, if you put all these together and buy $4.99, you get $150 off. You buy $3.99 worth of tools, you get $80. You buy $2.99 worth of tools, you get $30. So definitely check it out. You can mix and match. Some people, what they're doing is they're just buying a whole bunch of tools and they're just returning what they don't need. That's completely up to you, however you want to do it. I personally think you're getting a great deal if you're buying that $4.99 kit. You're getting a great deal on all the tools. So there's no reason to do that, but it's up to you, however you want to do it. That's the right angle. That's a titanium bit set, 29 piece for $999.27. That's a big kit right there. So if you need to fill in the rest of the $4.99, basically you can grab one of these kits. $79.97 for the whole dozers, whole saw kit. Then you got a multi-tool there for $229. That's the new one. You got a angle grinder for $179. Got a one-handed reciprocating saw at $159. Got an impact wrench for $299. Got a right angle hog, or the hog right there. It's hard to see the price. And then you got some safety glasses here. They got the dark ones and the regular ones, $7.97. Then we're here at the pack out section. They got the cooler for $99. They got the toolbox that looks like the cooler for $59. And they got some totes, $49.97 there to the right. So no sales on those. You got a 4th by 25 inch interchangeable or replaceable. It's like a replacement snake there, the wire basically for these. So $4.75 for this M18 fuel drain cleaner. This thing's a huge monster. This one's the like the next biggest, still pretty big. So M12 $249. This is the air snake $399. I guess it puts in compressed air. Then you got the pump, the transfer pump M18 for $199. So there are other tools at the bottom. Then you got the hand tools, basically. The groove joint for $18.97 and $17.97, 12-inch and 10-inch. They call them the smooth jaw pliers. Then you got some cutters here for $22.97. Some copper cutters, $17.97, and it just depends on the size that you need. You got a 3/4 there, or 3/4, yeah, 3/4. Then you got a cutter for $29.94. It's a really nice cutter. Got the offset there, $64.97. And then the regular pipe wrenches there, really nice, $44.97, $49. Got an adjustable there to the left, $24.97. You got a 2-pack there, $24.97, smaller. $9.97 for the trap snake M12. $99.97. And then you got this one. It's like a manual snake. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.